Welcome to this informative video where I will be showing how I created a cosmetic product blog website using MongoDB, Flask, and PyMongo. MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database that is well suited for handling unstructured data, making it an ideal choice for my e-commerce platform. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB can store data in a flexible JSON-like format, allowing me to accommodate the varied and evolving data structures associated with product information, such as product data, user reviews, and comments. Let us take an look at the example of the database that was created. The collection was called product, and it contained various fields such as name, brand, category, subcategory, and validation was ensured on each of these fields. For example, name and brand is of string data type, price is of integer data type, while sizes was an array because a product could have multiple size or size options available. Let us now take a look at how a document in this collection is structured. So this is a sample document that I've queried. You have the name, brand name, and certain details about the product, such as price. You have a blogs, which represents different informations about the product that is written in the form of title, content, what features the product has, the ingredients that go into it. Since this particular e-commerce website is centered around makeup and skincare, we have instructions on how to use the product and other such relevant category and subcategory fields like makeup, skincare, hair care. Also, there is a review section, which is an array of embedded documents, each document containing user rating and the particular comment. Let us now take a look at the code that went into this. I used Flask for building the backend and PyMongo for establishing the connectivity between the front end and my MongoDB database. So let us first take a look at the display products function. And this function basically queries all the products in my collection and displays it to the user. And the product ID, as in this app route, is used for displaying information related to a particular document. Let us now take a look at how this is done in the front end. So this is the website. The website's name is Beauty Bazaar, and it's an e-commerce blog informative platform related to makeup and skincare. So first, if we go to our products page, here it displays all the products that are currently in the database. In case a user wants to view a product, they simply have to click on View Product, and here the data is queried from the database and presented to the user. There is a review section which is very dynamic in nature and which highlights why MongoDB is appropriate for this case, because in the document or in this particular type of structure of product reviews, there will be n number of reviews that a user can have. So an SQL-like database has a fixed number of columns, while as a MongoDB can have multiple fields added to it later, multiple documents added to it later, and the structure can be varied. Let us take a look at the add review functionality. For example, I'm user 5. I give the product a rating of 5 and I say great long wearing lipstick. Must buy. I submit this, and if I take a look now at reviews, we can see that the review section is updated with my particular rating. Another functionality, which I'll first go to the code to explain, is how I have used regex and to search particular product data using keywords and tags. So if we take a look at this filter products function, here we can see that it takes the regex pattern, which is basically the search query that I'll be providing in the search box. It could be any sort of keywords like lipstick or a brand name or a product name or a particular ingredient that was used in it. And it will display those products. It goes through the product contact features, tags, and identifies whether the particular item that I've typed in my search query matches any of it and returns only those documents. Let's take a look at an example of how this works. For example, I want to search a particular product. Let us say lipstick. So I simply type it and I hit search. Here it returns me only those documents containing lipstick. And from here, I can again hit read more and it will take me to the page of that particular lipstick product. We can also search by brand name. Say I select Maybelline and it returns me only those products containing Maybelline. We can also search on product type, supposing I want to search for a serum. So I have serum that are present in my database displayed. And we can go ahead to each of these web pages to get more detailed information about that particular product. We can also add a product to the database and perform basic CRUD operations. So if I run through the code, you can see that this particular route handles addition of a particular document into the database using the insert one command. This is the template for adding a product. If we take a look at this already pre-filled product that I have, template that I have added the details for, and we hit add product, it says our product is added successfully. And when we go back to our products page, we will now be able to see the new product, which was this Tresemme serum. And we can view the product similarly. All the data is present. We can add reviews if required. There is also an update product functionality. For instance, this is done using the product ID. So the particular document is queried based on the product ID. Say I take 1001, the first product, and I update the price to say 700 and the ratings to maybe 3, and I hit update product. Okay, I need to enter. This is also a validation check that happens to ensure that my ratings are in floating point numbers. So say I enter 3.5 and I update the product. Sorry. Yeah, the product is updated successfully. And now if we go back to our products page and we go to view the product, we can see that the price has been, oh, sorry, this is the wrong product. If we go to the lipstick, L'Oreal Paris lipstick product with product ID 1001, as mentioned here, we can see that the product price is updated to 700 and ratings to 3.2 as we had done. Update functionality is also present. If we want, we can also delete a product. We do this by entering the product ID. Say, I want to delete the product that I just created about the Tresemme one. I write the product ID, delete product, deleted successfully. And if I go back to the products page, here, I can see that the Tresemme serum that was present is now deleted. So that document goes from our database. When it comes to the coding, the Flask API was a very efficient tool in building the connectivity and writing the logic and functionality. There are different templates in CSS that I have created, which rendered the front end. And all in all, this entire project aims to demonstrate how MongoDB is an efficient NoSQL type document-oriented type database, which is appropriate to use in the case of e-commerce websites, blogging, product catalog, and displaying reviews and ratings, where information is very dynamic and unstructured in nature. Thank you.